Well, good morning. It's been a minute since we had a vlog. I want to say it's been 4 months. What have I been up to? Well, I bought a bike, so I like to go out, take a little morning ride, get back in shape. It's just like riding a bike, except for I'm way fatter and more out of shape, so there's that. But it's a beautiful Friday. Thought I'd take a day off. Well, it's my day off. And do a little drive around. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, maybe fly the drone and do a video. I haven't done a video for a while. So let's go. All right, so the workout's done, got a shower, waiting for the car to defrost. This should be about 15 minutes or so, but my favorite thing to do on a Friday, in COVID, you can't go in anywhere. I think they actually just are now, I mean, you can go into restaurants, I just don't feel safe doing it yet, so, but I love to just go take drives on Fridays. I mean, Washington is the most beautiful, best state in the country. It was recently voted so, and it's just such a wonderful place. I mean, within an hour or two, you can have mountains, you can have oceans, you can have the sound, you can have islands, ferry boats, whatever. So I don't know where I'm going to go yet. I'm going to go get my breakfast smoothie to refuel from that, 200 calories we just burned, and then we'll pick someplace. All right, so after consulting my map, I thought it might be fun to go somewhere I've never been before in this area, which is, I feel like I've been everywhere. I've never been to the small town of Eatonville, Washington. So it's like 45, 50 minutes away. It's kind of out towards Mount Rainier. And so maybe we'll go out there, fly the drone, hopefully get some good shots of Mount Rainier and see a new town. So out here in just north of Eatonville, it's kind of a historical marker slash scenic viewpoint of beautiful Mount Rainier, which is standing right there. 14,410 feet of majestic northwest beauty. So I'm going to go walk along downtown Eatonville. It's kind of just this one main drag. It's a small town, but got some cool signs and businesses, so let's go look around. Here's Eatonville High School. Well, kind of a fun walk around a nice, cute little town out here near Mount Rainier. It's only 30 more miles out to the mountain, but I mean, I think it was 11 or 12 minutes to walk from one side of town to the other. So just going to enjoy this beautiful spring day. I mean, it's like 60 degrees already at noon, and well, maybe not that warm, 55. It's going to get up to 60, and I'm going to fly the drone around the park here and then head back home. So thanks everybody for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you'd be so kind. Have a good day.